John Rasmus here. You may know that I have this Pyramar puppet that I made. It took me a month to make it. Very high quality. Took a month. Very great amount of work went into this puppet. I made it so David Liebehart could use it in Pyramidical episodes and talk as Pyramar the puppet, the Illuminati puppet. And concerning the Illuminati, I'm definitely not pro-Illuminati. I use Illuminati symbolism to take power away from these symbols which are seen as evil. I'm as anti-Illuminati as it gets. I assure you, I am very anti-Illuminati. In fact, I spent a month making this felt puppet. Very detailed, the first puppet I've ever made. And just to prove how anti-Illuminati I am, I'm gonna burn. That's right. I'm gonna burn this puppet right now. Okay, I have the second camera in place. So here's camera 1, here's camera 2, and camera 3 is my cell phone. So let's set this guy on fire.
Warning: do not try this at home. The following is not recommended. Burning Illuminati puppets can be hazardous to your health. This puppet represents the insidious puppet masters pulling the strings behind the scenes. They never openly acknowledge the true meaning behind the eye, but I know the meaning. Trust me, I know. I will reveal the true meaning of the eye in the future.
That is the end of the Illuminati. They're being destroyed even as we speak. Bye-bye, Illuminati. Sayonara. These smoldering remains are what's left of the Illuminati. So there you have it. The Illuminati is being destroyed. I do have some theories on the Illuminati. A lot of people think it's a joke. I'm not talking about the hip-hop meme. I'm not talking about a book on Amazon for a couple dollars. I'm not talking about wearing some trinkets. I'm talking about the actual secret puppeteers behind the scenes. My theories are pretty out there. I've seen a few people comment on something similar to my theories, touching upon them, but never exactly as I see it concerning the secret network of puppeteers. So I'm going to have an Illuminati series. Make up your own mind. These opinions are my own, and I understand they're not going to perfectly align up with everyone. These theories are based on strong intuition, pondering the subject, delving into it, researching it. There are a lot of clueless puppets involved, more clueless puppets than I think most people realize. David Icke is way off. Not even close. Although, if you twist what David Icke says, there could be some truth to it. Alex Jones focuses on the physical. So Alex Jones, he gets it pretty close concerning the globalists, and I'm not going to go into those conspiracy theories. I'm just going to talk about my opinions on the Illuminati. And I'm going to talk more about the spiritual side, less of the physical side. Of course, everyone talks about Bohemian Grove and the billionaire banksters who fund every war on the planet. I'll talk about them as puppets. I'm going to talk about the actual puppeteers who pull the strings of these leaders. There's a lot of hilarious meme stuff out there, a lot of jokes, a lot of wackos thinking we're controlled by lizard people. I'm not going to focus on the common conspiracies. I'm not going to focus on lizard people. I'm going to focus on what can't be seen in the unseen world. For some reason, I have the ability to tap into the unseen world and see it occasionally and be interacted by it occasionally by invisible entities. They're only invisible because they're one step above us in the parallel dimension. There are many parallel dimensions stacked on top of each other. We can't see the higher ones. The higher ones can see down. They can see us. And the closest ones to us can even interact with us on rare occasions. But I'm going to talk about my opinions and theories concerning the Illuminati in the future. I thank you for watching. This has been John Rasmus with Pyramidical. Be seeing you.
Subscribe.